Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you appear offline on Roblox while playing on mobile. In order to appear offline on Roblox while playing, you want to simply make sure to watch this video right till the end. So what you want to do is, first thing, you want to make sure to update the application to the latest version. Then head over to your Roblox application and log in to your account. So once you are logged in, you'll be then taken to this section or the home page, and here you want to click on the more button from the bottom right hand side corner. Then you want to go to the settings, and here you simply want to go and make changes with your privacy and content maturity settings. So what you have to do is you have to go ahead and make sure to actually change all of these settings. So first, go to content maturity. Alright, you do not have to go with this. Go to communication and make sure to go to experience chat and select no one. Do the same procedure for the direct chat, no one. After which you want to go to party and make sure to select no one. Do the same thing for camera as well, and once you've actually done it, so next what you want to do is go to visibility and privacy. Do the same thing, just make sure that only me or nobody is selected, and that is how you could make changes. And that's the way you could go ahead and appear offline on Roblox while playing on mobile. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.